Hi, welcome to AkiSoft YouTube channel. I'm Kiedra. Today I will show you how I create this New Year's Eve glam look. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's begin. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with the dermal spray by Zoria and just lightly mist it on my face to give it a nice clean feeling. Now I'm going to take the AR Anti-Redness Calming Cream and just put a little bit on the back of my hand like that and just apply it to the red areas. This helps reduces the appearance of redness and calm the irritation. Now I'm going to go in using my Zoria under eye and just gently apply it underneath my eyes where I have crazy bags. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay primer and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. This step is important to help keep the makeup in place as well as make it smooth when I'm applying my foundation. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in shade Ebony and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with this. Your eyebrows are sisters and not twins, so as you see I kind of messed up on my left eyebrow, but that's totally okay. It will be fixed with the concealer. So I'm going to take the concealer on the back of my hand and just kind of conceal the bottom as well as the top to really make it pop. And now I'm just going to take a random eyeshadow brush and just kind of blend it out so that way it don't look so harsh. And I'm gonna go back and kind of fix this eyebrow, and you can go back in and fill it in if you aren't pleased. Just don't stress out over it because they're not gonna be twins, as I said before. So once you're satisfied with the look, I'm gonna go back in with that eyeshadow brush and just blend out that concealer. Now I'm gonna take that leftover concealer and just apply it as primer to my eyelid, and I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just blend that in there. Now I'm going to take my MAC paint pot in shade Lay Low and I'm going to apply it as a base to my eyelid. This helps make the color pop when I'm adding my colors on there. And I'm also going to take my Kat Von D and just set everything in place. This is a really good step if you have really oily lids and to help keep your eyeshadow intact. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Prism palette and I'm going to take shade Saturn and I'm going to apply that to my crease. And I'm just going to blend it in because this will be my transitioning shade. Now I'm going to take the color Parallel and I am just going to take that and blend it in my outer crease as well as packet it onto my lid as well. Now I'm going to take the LA Color Concealer. This is going to be my foundation for the glitter to really make that glitter really pop. And I'm just going to take a concealer brush and just kind of organize it a little bit so it won't look so messy. Now I'm just going to take the Parallel and just blend out the harsh lines of the concealer. Now I'm going to take the NYX glitter palette in this shade and I'm just going to apply this over that foundation we made with the concealer. And I'm going to keep repeating the step, taking the Parallel color because I really want that dramatic smoky eye. But I also kind of don't want the glitter to get all over my lid, so this kind of helps keep it in that place. Okay, and now I'm just going to take my Born This Way foundation in color Butter Pecan and apply it all over my face using my flat angle brush. Now I'm going to take the Sephora in color Nutmeg concealer and I'm just going to apply it to areas of my face where I want it to be a little bit more highlighted. Taking my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out and making sure I blend it really good because you don't want to have any harsh lines from the concealer onto your foundation. Now I'm just going to take my Milk setting powder and I'm just going to set the makeup underneath my eyes and basically all over my face to make sure my makeup look mattified and stay in place throughout the night. Now I'm taking a brush and I'm just going to brush it off as well as blend it so that way it's not looking super bright. Now I have my Anastasia contour kit and I'm just going to put that into my lower cheekbones, on the corners of my face, chin, and just contour my face with it. This step is optional, but I like to just add a little bit on the bridges of my nose as well to really give it a more contour look. Now I'm going to take this NARS blush and just put this on my cheek. Now I'm going to take my highlighter. I only got 3 options, so I guess I'm going to use Summer and just kind of highlight my cheekbone, the bridges of my nose, and the cupid bow. Now I'm going to take this black eyeliner and go underneath my eye with it. Now I'm going to go in with Parallel and just kind of smudge it on the bottom of my lower lash to really give my eyes some more dramatic appeal. I have really big eyes, so I kind of like to really make them pop. And now I'm going to use Saturn and just smudge it out in the bottom lower lash as well. Now I'm going to take Pyramid and just put it on my inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take my Born This Way mascara and I'm just going to apply this to my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to take my lashes and I'm just going to apply them to my upper lash line. This helps really create a more dramatic look, especially if you're going for a nice glam. And I'm just making sure they're in place. Next, I'm going to take my Sephora lip liner and just line my lips. And now I'm going to take my NYX nude color lipstick and just apply it to my lips. And I'm going to take my fingers and blend it out so that way it don't look really harsh. Now I'm going to take my nude lip gloss and just add it to add a little bit of sparkle and shine. And now I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray and just set my face. And this is the perfect way to make sure your makeup stays in place throughout the whole night. And voila! That's it. That's how I created this look. Make sure you guys leave us a comment and let us know what you think down below. And please make sure to like, subscribe, and click on that bell for more notifications on our new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.